Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this colorful smooshy and nail stamp design. So I'm using this Blue by Finger Paints. It's their bamboo collection called Blue U Bamboo. This pinkish peach polished by Color Club called Hot 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 Pans. And this neon yellow by Oily called Key Lime Twist. I just love this neon. I use it so much. Then I'm going to apply the colors onto a clear nail stamper. Now you can do a sandwich bag or mat, nail mat, but I just want to show you something really easy and simple. And I apply the colors wherever. There's no specific way to do it. Then using another stamper, I'm just going to mix the colors together. And don't mind that the colors are peeking through, as you can see. I'm going to apply the colors or the stamper on my nails several times to make sure that my nails are completely colored, with the polish. Then using my Pueen Secret Gardens 01 nail plate, I'm going to apply black polish onto this. I guess it's supposed to be floral because it's a secret garden, but it's like an abstract design. I really liked it. I thought it looked really good with the design on it. I didn't know if I wanted to do white stamping polish or black, but I have to say I like the black on top of it because it just helped the colors pop more. And as you can see, I applied it onto my nails, the design, and then I removed the liquid latex and cleaned it on my nails. Smooshy nails is really easy and simple to do. Try it out with different colors. It's just really fun. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. Here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.